Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the world as we know it. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is revolutionizing industries. Finance is no exception. This raises a critical question. Will AI replace financial advisors altogether? The answer is not so simple. AI offers powerful tools that can analyze massive amounts of data, identify trends, and even make investment recommendations. However, financial advising is about more than just numbers. It's about trust, understanding, and personalized guidance. While AI can crunch numbers and provide basic advice, it lacks the human touch. It cannot replace the empathy, intuition, and experience that a seasoned financial advisor brings to the table. The future of financial advice likely involves a collaborative approach, where AI and human advisors work together to provide the best possible service. AI is already making waves in the financial industry, transforming the way we think about money management and investment strategies. From robo-advisors that provide automated portfolio management, offering personalized investment advice at a fraction of the cost of traditional advisors, to sophisticated algorithms that detect fraud and ensure the security of financial transactions, AI is changing how we manage our money and protect our assets. These technologies can process vast amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns and making predictions that would be impossible for humans to do alone. This capability allows for more informed decision-making and efficient market operations. AI-powered tools are particularly adept at handling routine tasks, such as portfolio rebalancing and tax loss harvesting, which can save investors both time and money. They can also provide basic financial advice based on an individual's risk tolerance and investment goals, making financial planning more accessible to a broader audience. This frees up human advisors to focus on more complex and nuanced aspects of financial planning, such as estate planning, tax strategies, and retirement planning. The use of AI in finance is still in its early stages, but its impact is already being felt across the industry. However, it's clear that AI has the potential to revolutionize the industry, making financial advice more accessible, affordable, and efficient for everyone. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the years to come, further transforming the landscape of finance. AI excels in tasks that require speed, accuracy, and data analysis. For instance, AI-powered robo-advisors can create and manage diversified investment portfolios at a fraction of the cost of traditional human advisors. They can also rebalance portfolios automatically, ensuring that investments stay aligned with an individual's risk tolerance and financial goals. AI is also highly effective in detecting and preventing fraud. By analyzing millions of transactions in real time, AI algorithms can identify suspicious activity and flag it for review. This helps financial institutions protect their customers from financial losses. Moreover, AI can personalize financial education and deliver targeted advice through chatbots and virtual assistants. The ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data makes AI a powerful tool for financial institutions and individuals alike. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications in the realm of finance. While AI offers numerous benefits in finance, it cannot replace the human element. Financial advisors provide more than just technical expertise. They offer empathy, understanding, and a personal touch that is essential for building trust and long-term relationships. Life is full of unexpected events, from job losses to health crises. These events can have a significant impact on our finances. Human advisors can provide emotional support and guidance during these difficult times, helping us navigate complex financial decisions with empathy and understanding. Furthermore, human advisors can provide holistic financial planning that considers all aspects of a client's life, not just their investments. They can help clients develop a comprehensive plan that addresses their unique needs and goals, from retirement planning to estate planning. This holistic approach, rooted in empathy and understanding, remains a key strength of human advisors. Section 5. The power of hybrid AI and humans working together. The future of financial advice likely lies in a hybrid model that combines the strengths of both AI and human advisors. This model leverages the unique capabilities of both parties to create a more efficient and effective advisory service. In this model, AI can handle the heavy lifting, such as data analysis, portfolio rebalancing, and risk assessment. These tasks, which are often time-consuming and complex, can be performed quickly and accurately by AI systems. This frees up human advisors to focus on what they do best: building relationships, providing personalized advice, and guiding clients through complex financial decisions. Human advisors can dedicate more time to understanding their clients' unique needs and goals. Imagine an advisor who can instantly access and analyze all of your financial data, from your investments to your spending habits. This seamless integration of data allows for a comprehensive view of your financial situation. This advisor can then use this information to provide you with personalized recommendations and insights tailored to your specific needs. The advice is not only data-driven but also customized to fit your unique financial landscape. At the same time, this advisor can provide the human touch, offering empathy, understanding, and emotional support when you need it most. This human element is crucial in building trust and ensuring clients feel valued and understood. This hybrid approach offers the best of both worlds, combining the efficiency and data-driven insights of AI with the empathy and personalized guidance of a human advisor. By merging technology with human expertise, we can create a more holistic and effective financial advisory service. Section 6. Beyond Today, Future of Financial Advice. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the field of financial advice. These advancements are not just limited to automation, but extend to predictive analytics and real-time data processing. For instance, AI-powered tools could be used to create personalized financial plans that adjust automatically to changes in market conditions and individual circumstances. This means that your financial strategy could be continuously optimized without the need for constant manual intervention. AI could also be used to develop more sophisticated financial education tools that make it easier for individuals to understand complex financial concepts and make informed decisions about their money. These tools could offer interactive learning experiences and real-time feedback. Furthermore, AI could help to break down barriers to financial access, making financial advice more affordable and accessible to a wider range of people. This democratization of financial advice could empower individuals from all walks of life. The future of financial advice is likely to be dynamic and ever-evolving, with AI playing an increasingly important role. This evolution will bring about new opportunities and challenges for both advisors and clients. However, the human element will remain crucial, ensuring that individuals receive the personalized guidance and support they need to achieve their financial goals. The synergy between AI and human advisors will define the future landscape of financial advice. Section 7. Rules of the Game Regulations in the Age of AI. The rapid advancement of AI in finance has raised important questions about regulation. As AI-powered tools become more sophisticated, it's crucial to ensure that they are used responsibly and ethically. Regulators around the world are grappling with how to oversee the use of AI in finance, balancing innovation with consumer protection. Key concerns include data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential for AI to be used in ways that harm consumers. Regulators are working to develop guidelines and standards for the development and deployment of AI in finance, aiming to foster innovation while mitigating risks. The goal is to create a regulatory framework that promotes fairness, transparency, and accountability in the use of AI, ensuring that this powerful technology is used to benefit consumers and enhance the financial system as a whole. Section 8. The Best of Both Worlds. The debate about AI versus human advisors is not an either-or proposition. The real opportunity lies in harnessing the power of both. AI can handle the tasks that it excels at, such as data analysis and portfolio management, while human advisors can focus on building relationships, providing personalized advice, and guiding clients through life's financial journey with empathy and understanding. This collaborative approach offers the best of both worlds, combining the efficiency and data-driven insights of AI with the human touch and personalized guidance that clients value. The future of financial advice is not about replacing human advisors with machines. It's about empowering advisors with cutting-edge technology so they can provide even better service to their clients. By embracing the power of both AI and human expertise, we can create a more accessible, affordable, and effective financial advisory landscape for everyone. Section 9. Your financial future. As you navigate your financial journey, remember that you have options. You can choose to work with a traditional human advisor, opt for a fully automated robo-advisor, or select a hybrid model that combines the best of both worlds. The most important thing is to find an approach that meets your individual needs and helps you achieve your financial goals. Stay informed about the latest advancements in AI and finance, and don't be afraid to ask questions about how these technologies are being used to serve you. The future of financial advice is full of possibilities. By embracing innovation and partnering with advisors who understand your needs, you can create a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones.